morning, everyone. We from Zaverian family welcome you once again for a grand celebration of the most prestigious day, that is 15th of August. We salute our national flag with the words Bande Mataram. Let our tricolor fly high up in the sky and spread peace, happiness, purity, strength and courage in all Indian hearts. Let us all enjoy the performances given by the Zaverians.
A very good morning to the Honorable GB members, teachers, parents and my dear students. First of all, I would like to wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Independence is the celebration of the spirit of freedom which we have won against the British rule on the 15th of August 1947. Today we are celebrating the 74th Independence Day, and on this auspicious day, we not only remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, but we also take a pledge as responsible citizens of India to fight against all forms of social evil. This day is celebrated each year by our students with a lot of grandeur. We start the program by hoisting the national flag, singing the national anthem, followed by the cultural programs and the activities which are put up by our students. But this year the pandemic situation is really heartbreaking. The students are going through a very tough time. They are unable to come to the school, they are missing their friends, and we are missing them as well. So we have planned to go for the virtual celebration of this occasion just to boost up our students. In this regard, I would like to convey my sincere thanks to the parents for their active support and the students for their participation in the program. Before I end, there is a message for my dear students. Remember that nothing is permanent in this world, not even these bad days. So let us stay healthy, let us stay safe, hopeful and positive, and we should never stop believing that every cloud has got a silver lining. Today, we will all celebrate the spirit of being an Indian. Together we can and we will overcome this crisis. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Vande सस्य श्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्नां पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुवासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
खूब लड़ी बरनानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। হ্যাঁ মহাদেব হে ইংরেজবাসী তোমরা আমাদের দেশ ছাড়ো। এই দেশ আমাদের, এই ভারতবর্ষের দেশ আমাদের, তোমাদের না। সাহস থাকলে তো তোমরা আমার তলোয়ারের সঙ্গে এসে লড়াই করো। সাহস থাকলে তো তোমরা রানী লক্ষ্মীবাইয়ের সাথে এসে লড়াই করো। সাহস থাকলে তো। They can kill me, but they cannot kill my spirit, Bhagat Singh. की गोलियों का सामना करेंगे हम, आजाद रहेंगे हम। आराम हराम है।
Good morning to everyone. This is Nazia Sua Khan. Happy Independence Day. This is our 74th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British rule. From then we celebrate this day as Independence Day. At the stroke of midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will remain awake to life and freedom. These words by our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru will forever remain etched to our history. So many of great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose gave their whole life for the service of nation. So on this day, we must ask ourselves, are we valuing the struggle of our freedom fighters? Are we understanding that as a citizen of India, we have some certain duties? So on this day, I want to talk about 4 responsibilities that will help us value this independence. The responsibility of knowing, the responsibility of speaking up, the responsibility of doing, and the responsibility of upholding freedom. By taking this responsibility, we say that we have done something for our nation. I want to thank all those forefathers who have worked for us and given us a piece of land. The key to our security is in the hands of our soldiers. The role played by the soldiers are immense. The role played by them are over and ever of everything else. They are not in a bed of roses, but they are in bed of thorns. So we must respect them as they write destiny of our country. So this is a small tribute for all the real heroes, warriors, freedom fighters and soldiers. Thank you.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। सरसों से भरे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गांव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना में मेरे वतना में, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं, कितना नसीबों वाला था। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे, क्यों आंख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं, और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Good morning everyone, I Tanisha Bagchi wishing you a very happy 74th Independence Day. As we have already seen, our beloved friends have expressed their respect for the Indian Army through their dance, and yes, it's a great time to salute to all the freedom fighters of our nation. Our nation India is the land based on the largest component of the Indian Army forces. The main mission of the Indian Army is to ensure national security and national unity, to protect us from external attack and internal threat, and to maintain peace within its borders. Our Indian Army has been involved in 4 wars with Pakistan and 1 with China. On 29 September 2016, our Indian Army has announced sequential strike against Pakistan and has also announced on 26 February 2019 Balakot airstrike. These 2 actions shows us the power of the Indian Army in front of the whole world and makes us feel proud. Our nation India got freedom on 15th August 1947 from the British rule. We should always remember our great forefathers Bhagat Singh, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose and many more. We should always remember the lesson taught by Gandhiji of non-violence, and thus today we should take an oath of being a highly responsible citizen of India.
जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जब जब मुझ पे उठा सवाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराई जग से हारा नहीं मैं खुद से हारा हूँ माँ एक दिन चमकूंगा लेकिन तेरा सितारा हूँ माई रे तेरे बिन मैं तो अधूरा रहा ओ मेरी परछाई तेरा ख्याल मारी तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जीना 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 रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का रंग तेरी जीत का है लाई 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 रंग तेरी रीत का रंग तेरी प्रीत का माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए जीना जीना रे उड़ा गुलाल माई तेरी चुनरिया लहराए
A very good morning to all of you. I, Rishika Sengupta of class 9, wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. It's been 74 years of our freedom from the British rule. Freedom is a gift. It is a gift of struggle, sacrifices, brutal tortures, and sleepless nights of our forefathers. My heart fills with pride when I see these tricolors spreading joy and happiness all around us. Today, everyone from different part of the country to another part is chanting slogans of Jai Bharat Mata with spirit and energy. It is indeed the spirit and love for the motherland. Though we are celebrating our freedom, but we are not actually free. Free to step out of our houses because of the deadly situation all around the world. When you take and don't give back, it causes an imbalance. I urge everyone in this difficult situation to be there for each other, stranger or friend. The only way we will get through this situation is to be good, be kind, and be human. Obey the authorities, they know the best. Show your gratitude to the ones in the front lines, and I promise you we will get back on earth that will be in much better shape and healed. May these days of degradation end soon and days of glory soon begins. We will fight Corona, we will win, and earth will heal. Thank you.
On this Independence Day, when we are paying homage to our freedom fighters, how can we forget the COVID warriors? We owe a profound debt of gratitude to our heroes who are working tirelessly round the clock to fight against COVID-19. No one is more heroic than those at the front lines. Our inspiring healthcare professionals, police, army, and essential service providers. Thank you for your dedication and sacrifices for the war against COVID-19. You inspire. You are the modern day hero. You are the role model. The world is reaching for a positive message of global togetherness that gives us hope that we all stand together and we shall overcome this crisis someday.
আবার আসিব ফিরে ধান সিঁড়িটির তীরে এই বাংলায়।
আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। আহা বুকের গভীরে আছে প্রত্যয়, আমরা করব জয় নিশ্চয়। একদিন সূর্যের ভোর, একদিন স্বপ্নের ভোর, একদিন সত্যের ভোর আসবে। আমি করিম জয়, আমি করিম জয়, আমি করিম জয় নিশ্চয়। ওহ বুকেতে মোর আসে প্রত্যয়, আমি করিম জয় নিশ্চয়। हामी हुने छौँ सफल, हामी हुने छौँ सफल, हामी हुने छौँ सफल एक दिन। हो मनमा छ विश्वास पुरा हुन्छ, हामी हुने छौँ सफल एक दिन।
कल ये भी बीते कल बन जाएंगे। मुस्कुराओ मुस्कुराओ, मुस्कुराने से ही उदासियों के ये मौसम जल्द ही बीत जाएंगे।
होगी शांति चारों ओर, होगी शांति चारों ओर, रबेगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। तररो मन में सौ विश्वास, थारो पूरो से विश्वास, रबेगी शांति चारों ओर एक दिन। होगा मैं कामयाब, होगा मैं कामयाब, होगा मैं कामयाब एक दिन। ओह मन विच है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, होगा मैं कामयाब एक दिन। हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओह मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। हम काबू पा लेंगे, हम काबू पा लेंगे, हम काबू पा लेंगे एक दिन। मेरे दिल में है यकीन, गहरा है यकीन, हम काबू पा लेंगे एक दिन।
आज पूरा विश्व कोविड-19 जैसी महामारी से जूझ रहा है। इस महामारी के अवसर पर मुझे कवि श्री हरिवंश राय बच्चन जी की कविता की एक पंक्ति अनायास ही स्मरण हो आई है। सुनिए। गुजर जाएगा मुश्किल बहुत है, मुश्किल बहुत है, लेकिन वक्त ही तो है।
आपा होसा कामयाब, आपा होसा कामयाब, आपा होसा कामयाब एक दिन। हो जीवड़ों में है विश्वास, पूरो है विश्वास, आपा होसा कामयाब एक दिन।
आओ पन मात करो, आओ पन मात करो, आओ पन मात करो पूर्णपणे, हो आनंद करणे आहे मला विश्वास, आओ पन मात करो एक दिवस।
हमें थाइसु कामयाब, हमें थाइसु कामयाब, हमें थाइसु कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मनमा छे विश्वास, पूरा छे विश्वास, हमें थाइसु कामयाब एक दिन। अधिजीविक्युम नाम, अधिजीविक्युम नाम, प्रतिरोधिक्युम नाम, विश्वासम काटिदुम नाम ईनादुम निगम वेन्नम।
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Into the heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.
Honorable President, Mr. Deobrato Sarkar, Secretary, Mr. Supriya Goswami, and others, honorable members of the governing body, respected Principal Madam, my beloved teachers, students, parents, everyone who are part of the St. Javier School, Malda, a very good morning to all of you. I am honored and lucky to have this opportunity to give a vote of thanks on behalf of my institutions on the auspicious occasion of Independence Day of our beloved country, India. It has been a great day and we have had beautiful performance by our students who have organized all and help in making the celebration even more glorified. Thank you, my dear students. I would like to congratulate all the students for your energetic performance and active participation. Thank you, my dear teachers. Your untiring efforts and tremendous energy take this institution to the height of glory once again. I would also like to thank my Principal Madam for organizing such a wonderful event. I am very much thankful to the parents and well-wishers of the St. Xavier's School, Malda. Last but not least, I would like to thank from the bottom of my heart to all the honorable members of the governing body for their extended support and cooperation. Thank you, Management Sir. The celebration could not have been successful without your support and cooperations. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Bande Mataram.
Thanks everyone for watching our celebration. Hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, happy 74th Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind.